Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Waze account. So creating a Waze account lets you save your preferences, access your account across devices, and keep your Waze experience connected. So actually guys, first you will need to download and open Waze. So just install Waze from the App Store or Google Play Store and launch the app, and then start the sign up process. So tap the Waze menu or your profile icon, then choose the option to sign up or create account. So if you didn't already, you will need just to go with the three dots that's located, or lines that's located at the top left corner, and then here you will find an option. It says sign up. If not, just go inside the settings here, and then you will find an option that says sign up or account and log in, as you can see. So just go with account and log in, and then go with log in to an account or register with a new account, right? So once you choose a sign up method, depending on your device and the options shown, you can create an account using, of course, the Google, Apple, or another available sign-in method. So then enter your information. So follow the on-screen instructions to provide the requested information and create your account. And why not verifying your account if requested? So if Waze asks you to verify your email address or phone number, complete the verification step and set up your profile. So choose the username, profile picture, or other available preferences, right? And of course guys, you will need to allow location access. So for navigation traffic features to work properly, give Waze to necessary location permissions when prompted. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.